Hi guys, today we're going to work on a MS-170 steel chainsaw. Like I said, he had fresh fuel, fresh oil. The person he bought it from said they were having trouble getting it to start, or it would intermittently start. I'm not 100% sure of the backstory, but we'll start by taking this cover off. You just take that lock, turn it to the unlock position here, and then that just pops off. So as we're looking it over, checking the linkage, the choke, everything's working there. The boot to the spark plug looks tight. And then the coil here, you have your power to the coil and then your ground. There you go. That wire's loose right there. Let's put the screwdriver. So the ground wire to the coil's loose. And that could definitely cause that coil not to work and you wouldn't have spark. So let's figure out what size Torx that is and we'll be right back. So that's a T27 Torx. Tighten that up. And we'll kind of put the wire up a little bit as we're tightening it, so then as it turns, when it tightens, maybe it comes down. It won't be hitting the coil. You want it tight. You don't want it too tight. You don't want to break that little bolt, but you definitely want it tight. So it's nice and tight now. So we'll see if that was what was inhibiting it starting. We'll put the cover back on just for good measure. You clip it back in there. You grab your selector here for off on. And then tighten that back to the lock position. Turn it on, and then we'll see if that works.